Okay, let's fucking do it. What is up? Matt here. Welcome to another session on the Artist's Way. Wow, over the last few days, we have been exploring shame and criticism, and over the process, we've undoubtedly been picking up a bit of guilt. And perhaps simply just for being the beautiful person that we are, not that we need to feel this guilt. So, today we're going to do some reflective detective work in order to restore that person that we have abandoned, ourself. And if you haven't done your morning pages yet today, that would be a great way to start. Okay, so Julie has a very fun exercise for us today. I'm going to go ahead and scroll this list of phrases, and we're going to free associate with maybe like a sentence or two with the following phrases. So just like our morning pages, we're going to set the critic and the judgment aside and simply witness what comes to mind. I hope something in that reflection brought to light where you might have abandoned those powerful and creative qualities that is innate to being human. It is in these simple observations where subtle shifts happen over a course of time that unblocks us to better be able to accept ourselves and allow our most authentic self to shine. So thank you for showing up for yourself, doing this work. I love you, I see you, I'm here with you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.